right, let's be real. Notion, it's everywhere. The tool everyone's saying will make your life easier, boost productivity, and turn you into some kind of efficiency machine. But today, we're going to find out the truth. We're not just talking about what Notion can do. We're asking the real question, should you even care? So here's the deal. Notion is like an all-in-one workspace. Notes, tasks, databases, projects. It's basically your entire office in one place. Super flexible and yeah, it looks sleek. But with all these features, does it actually matter for most people? Or are we all just getting sucked into the hype because it looks cool and everyone's talking about it? Well, for some people, it's absolutely useful. It's a powerful tool for organizing their entire life. For others, it's just another app that collects dust on their phone. But let's imagine for a second. Notion, or any productivity app, didn't even exist. How would we manage? We are humans. We're pretty good at remembering stuff that's important, right? Think back to some memories from your childhood, happy or even painful ones. You remember them because they're tied to emotions, they're part of you. But what about the little things? The technical stuff, like lessons from last year or, I don't know, passwords. So, in the old ways, we ended up just writing things down. It's simple. People turn to writing things down. This depends on a person's memory and IQ, of course. And here's where Notion comes in. It's like your digital pen and paper, but supercharged. All your info, tasks, thoughts, stored, searchable, and organized. Look, I'm not here to sell you on Notion. I'm here to ask you the question that really matters. Will it make your life better